Let's type S to scale, and X to scale on the X-axis. Tab to go to edit mode, and Ctrl-R to place a loop cut 25 times like this. I'll show you 2 ways to turn the top faces of this mesh into an arc. The idea is to move the vertices or edges upward and turn them into an arc shape. The easiest method is to use the proportional editing feature like this. We can select the bottom vertices, and align them by using S, Z, and 0 shortcuts. Let's undo and select the bottom vertices again in wireframe mode. That's one way, but as you can see the arc doesn't look perfect. Let's undo. I'll show you another method. Let's create a cylinder. Type R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. We can remove these 2 faces. Let's select the top vertices like this, and Ctrl-G to assign them to a group. Time to apply the Shrinkwrap modifier. Let's select the vertex group we've just created. That's how we use the Shrinkwrap modifier to fit our vertices into any shapes. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.